This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
Alright, man. So as y'all can see, feel me? We at in the Alley's custom, you know what I'm saying? Finna get the Lawrence Springs on this jump. And dang, yo, bro, this is my first time like seeing this jump like from the crash, bro. I'm not gonna lie, this shit looks crazy. What? Go. Hold on, wait. Did he oh, that's why this look like that, because it's there. Okay, so it's actually broke. I did not know that. Shit look tough though. I don't know how y'all feel about this jump with it, bro. Yeah, I think he got stars in his jump too. I think so. I don't know. Jump look crazy, bro. Yeah, I damn near need to go get my tripod. So yeah, bro, hold up. I might put y'all boys on the tripod. I don't know yet. We gonna see. But alright, man. So y'all boys can see. You know what I'm saying? My boy got the charger Jelly. But this is exactly how mine. Well, I ain't have those wheels. I would have preferred these wheels over the wheels that I had originally. But hey, y'all boys can see. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that boy got the Pursuit 2 now. This on tough. Hey, what they was saying. Hold on, wait. My fault. It's a glare. There you go. What they was talking about, man. They was talking about second gen summer, man. No cap. Hey, I know this gonna look crazy when he done with it too. Oh my goodness. Dang. Hey, I low key, I gotta get I don't know if y'all can see it. It's like a boom. Y'all know how on mine I got like the black joints on both sides. They're like trunk plugs kinda. I need to find me another trunk plug because I might remove my antenna in the middle. I don't know yet. We see it. But replacing the new trunk, I ain't gonna lie, that's not in the plans right now, gang. I ain't gonna figure it to y'all. So, but yeah, bro, this his second gen. This joint is tough. Well, 7th gen, cause people hate when you say second gens, bro. But 7th gen right here, joint look crazy, bro. I ain't gonna fake it. Damn, that glare is crazy. Hold on, wait. Can we block that off? There you go. Yeah, shit fire though. Oh my goodness. I see that. Dang. That is crazy. That must look tough. I ain't gonna cap. Yeah, we got one more left, and then not gonna lie, I'm finna go to Sheets. But yeah, this what we at right now. Is it the side markers? Crazy. Not for real. Yeah, man. Alright, Lawrence Springs are installed. Let's see how low we go, man. For real? Oh my god.
When you drive, it's gonna drop some more.
Dang. Yes, alright. Oh my goodness.
You know.
Hey, oh yeah, for sure. Hey, one. That's where we at right now, man. Oh my goodness, bro. Hey, shout out to that boy Milton, man. That boy got me right. I ain't gonna fake it. Did be the lowest ever. I was not expecting this shit to get this low. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Like, I was expecting it to get a little low, but not this damn low. This is super low. I don't even know how I'm gonna drive this motherfucker. You didn't go fake it. I don't know how I'm gonna drive this shit, bro. This shit is low, gang. I'm not even gonna figure it to y'all. I don't know how I'm gonna drive this motherfucker, bro. Hold up. Turn them side markers on. Damn! that bit looking right. I don't know how I'm gonna drive this shit, gang. I ain't even gonna figure it to y'all niggas, man. Yo, I don't know. I know for a fact though. Hey, he got crazy with this shit, man. So more cars will be, you know what I'm saying, going to Milton, especially from me. You know what I'm saying? Hey, he ain't take 30 days. You know what I'm saying? He did that shit in a few hours, bro. He nice as hell. Shout out to goddamn Juan and Ray for goddamn giving me, you know what I'm saying, for connecting me with bro. Cause I'm not gonna lie, that nigga nice. I ain't gonna lie. That bitch look crazy. That bitch look crazy, ski. Ooh. But yeah, I probably record some more tomorrow because as y'all can see, it's dark and I got like a 20-minute drive, man, back to the crib. So, whew, yeah, bro. Appreciate that boy Milton, man, for getting me right. We got this on, man. All right, man. So as y'all boys can see, you know what I'm saying, we on the road right now, and this ain't my first drive with the Lawrence Springs. This like my second, this like my third drive with the Lawrence Springs so far, and I'm not gonna lie, it feels amazing, bro. I ain't even gonna fake it to y'all. I love being this low, and now my car can finally pick up some speed. You know what I'm saying? For the people who didn't know, my car would never really pick up speed. Well, I mean, it would pick up speed, but it would be more like, it would be much more quicker if my car was like lower to the ground, because you know my shit was lifted in the front, so it's nothing but air holding the car back. So now, you know what I'm saying, we can actually get up there for real, and way faster than what the hell we used to get up there. So as y'all can see, hey, she moved now. She definitely moves, bro. So if I had to rate this mess 1 out of 10, bro, hey, it's a 10. I say y'all boys go get y'all Lawrence Springs. And yo, bro, something I didn't even tell y'all. I don't think I told y'all in the video. Bro, my springs were broke the whole time I was driving, bro. My the rear passenger spring was broken, bro. Literally. Like Milton said, he was like, bro, I ain't never seen nothing like that before. Like, that's insane. Hey, hold on, bro, you close as hell. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, bro. So one of my springs was actually broken. So, hey, it was perfect timing, bro. You know what I'm saying? We got that mess out the way. So, hey. But I probably, you know what I'm saying, go to the gas station real quick. Probably show y'all the broken spring. Because if I'm not mistaken, I put the broken spring in here. So, yeah, probably show y'all the spring real quick. And then, shoot, that might be the end of this video, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I rate the springs though, out of a 10. I definitely rate them a 10 for sure. This mess feels amazing, bro. Now, I will say, I live in a city though where like it's nothing but potholes and the roads are trash, as y'all can probably see. Oh, y'all probably couldn't see while I was driving this whole time, but the roads are dirt. I ain't even gonna figure it to y'all. The roads are trash. So just gotta watch out and be careful. And you know what I'm saying? I'm not the best at as y'all can clearly see, I ain't the best, but you know what I'm saying, this is like the perfect opportunity for me to learn to, like, you know what I'm saying, because hey, it look amazing, but it come at, you know what I'm saying, at a risk. So damn, look at the police over there.
Hi.
I don't know if y'all can see them, but them boys over there be just chilling. But yeah, bro, I'm gonna hit y'all boys though, man, when we get to the gas station, bro. So hold on, matter of fact, nah, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't even gonna give y'all no pull, because that police can probably hear me when I do it, and I don't want him to hear me doing it, because I don't need him messing with me. So yeah, bro, yeah, I'll just catch y'all boys though, man, when we got there and going get to the gas station, bro. So yeah. Alright, so hold on, wait, look, I'm about to show y'all right now. I know the back of my car might be a little dirty, but look, whole spring broke. I forgot which one it is. You could obviously, I could find it. It shouldn't be hard to find. Whatever one just fucking broke off on the end. It ain't this one. It damn sure ain't this one. It's probably this one. Yeah, it's this one. Look at that. And then this shit right here broke off of it. So yeah, bruh. Driving around on broken springs whole time. But for the people who wanted to know what springs these are, damn, you don't got it on the, oh, it's on the side of the box. Well, these are SR Performance springs. So That's why they be squatting like that now. Well, see, now my dad got me saying squatting, bruh. But that's why I sit like this now, cause my shit never used to sit like this. If y'all know, like I could actually like run and like jump on top of my shit now if I wanted to. Goddamn, stand on top of my hood or whatever. Even though I have not done that yet, but I'm just giving y'all examples so y'all can know like how high it used to be and how low that bitch sit now, because that looks crazy. And I know my car dirty as hell because I haven't well, I mean, I washed it last time I went to that car meet, but that was the last time I washed it, bro. Cause shit, bro, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm tired of washing this bitch, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, I'm tired of washing this shit. Every time I wash the damn car, 10 seconds later, because where I live at is nothing but trees, as y'all can see, 10 seconds later, bro, all of this shit, like, bro, I'm sick of this shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. But hey, look at this, like I can't even that shit is so bad.
Oh, damn.
So yeah, bro. Damn. Y'all see my windows, bro? All of this shit looks so bad, bro. My next thing I gotta do now is get a wing. But I'm not gonna lie, I probably get my wing after I tune the car, cause I'm about to go get this on tuned. And then once they big get tuned, oh, that bitch gonna be a beast, bro. I know it's gonna be a beast. I'm already knowing. And I was gonna have to go and buy like the whole tuning device for this shit to get tuned. But Milton, which the guy that put the springs on, by the way, you know what I'm saying? He actually has the tuner device already. So he said he could tune it for me or whatever. So maybe like next week or sometime next week, I probably get the shit tuned. And also, I'm about to get my cam fixed too. I'm gonna hit Isaiah up about that, so I can, you know, so she can look better, you know what I'm saying? But I'm about to get my cam fixed. And then also, something I need to fix is my damn bumper. Y'all see this? Like, it never really bothered me that much, but now that this car sits so damn low, it's bothering me. So I need to go and get that fixed as well. But I mean, shit, besides that though, bro, it sit pretty low, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it was way lower than what I like was expecting. Cause yo, this shit right here, yo, that is sick, bro. That shit is crazy. I didn't know it was gonna get that low. I was thinking it was gonna drop a little bit, but I was not thinking that goddamn low. But yeah, bro, that's that. I probably hit y'all when I goddamn get from out of sheets, cause I'm about to get some. So yeah, but that's this where we at right now. We only had this shit for a few months, so for this to be a few months worth of like shit, it's not bad. Like, oh, hold on, wait. Something I need to check real quick. I need to check something. How we looking? How we looking? Bro, it's so hard to like see under this shit now. This bitch is squatting, fool. I think we good. I had to oh shit. I had to change the water pump on here. I need to start recording shit like that. But like, bro, when shit like happen to my car, bro, I be so like down in the dumps, gang. I don't even be like, record be like the last thing on my mind. That's how like pissed off I be when shit happen. But I don't know. But shit, I already got everything else. So yeah, I catch y'all, bro, when we get from getting the food and shit. I just want to say I appreciate y'all boys for watching, bro. I got more mods, man. Just give me some time, bro. And yeah, bro, that's pretty much the end. Love y'all boys, man. Appreciate y'all boys for watching, man. And I don't even know if I want to give y'all no rev, bro, because it be police all out there, bitch. I ain't even gonna lie. But I'm finna head home, you know what I'm saying? God, they be in traffic. Oh my goodness, bro. This car looks so mean now, bro. Like, my car used to look so innocent, bro. Now it don't look nothing like that, ski. This bitch look like she ready to fight, man. No cap. She look like she ready to fight. Now, hey, we gotta get mods, bro. Like, I mean, technically this is a mod, but we gotta get like engine mods. Like, that's what we gotta get. We gotta get some engine mods, man. I'm ready for this bitch to be stupid fast. And I know that I can do it for sure. Like, you can definitely do it in the RT. These are like the perfect motors to build on. So I'm definitely down, bro. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, bro, appreciate y'all boys for watching. Love y'all boys, man. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, we straight, bro. We straight. But yeah, love y'all boys, man. I'm out this, yo, man. Peace out.